Okay, so the answer to this question is false. And it does depend on your interpretation of the map. In this case, what I wanted you to look at was the legend here, and you see that if you're blue, you have very high literacy rates, and down here we're color coding till we get to black, and you're under less than 35% illiteracy rates. If you were expecting a homogeneous trait, something like height, then you wouldn't expect to see such stark differences in countries right next to each other. So if you look in Africa, you see some countries that have less than 35% literacy rate right next to countries that have 80 to 90% literacy rates. Now, this kind of a difference, right, in countries or places that are geographically so close together, you wouldn't expect to have such differences in something like literacy rate if it was innate, because there should be interbreeding between these populations. They're close by one another. You wouldn't expect the biology to be limiting in some way. So the best answer to this question is false because of the distribution of the differences in literacy rates between countries.